Good morning. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelm warrior, with our weekend meditation. So get comfortable, grab your coffee or tea. This is your time for self-care. So let's just begin taking a breath in through the nose, blowing out through that straw, just letting go, easy, relaxed. This morning, we're going to work with anxiety and coming into a calm space. So let's take one hand and place it right by the temple. We're holding a point that helps to calm our anxiety, our overwhelm, just bringing us to a place of calm. We're going to take our other hand and place it just right between the breast area, just holding that heart energy center. Now, just breathing naturally, breathing in slowly, out through the straw. And as you breathe in with your own rhythm, in through the nose, out through the straw, remind yourself, I am safe. Again, I am safe. I am safe. Also remind your sacred self as you connect in deeper for this self-care time. I am love, light, health, wealth, moving forward with ease, grace, gratitude. Again, I am love, light, health, wealth, moving forward with ease, grace, and gratitude. Now let's just move our palm to the other side, again, holding the temple area gently. Other palm over that heart energy center. I am safe. I am love, light, health, wealth, moving forward with ease, grace, and gratitude. Breathing in with your own rhythm, just holding this area, noticing how you're feeling, and reminding yourself again, I am safe. I am love, light, health, wealth, moving forward with ease, grace, gratitude. Bring your palm over the heart center. I am love, light, health, wealth, moving forward with ease, grace, gratitude. Breathing in, take a deep breath in and just let go. Let your shoulders drop. And just breathing in your own rhythm. just take a body check and notice how you feel. And however that is okay. With both palms over that heart energy center, breathe in the power of love, compassion, gratitude, resilience. Again, shoulders relaxed, body just being connected to your sacred self for this self-care time. Breathing in the power of love, the power of compassion, the power of gratitude, the power of intention to take time for your self-care. And all of these build resilience. Again, I am love, light, health, wealth, moving forward with ease, grace, and gratitude. Breathing in at your own rhythm, just being present. For this personal time devoted to self-care and releasing whatever no longer serves you, letting go. Breathing in the power of love, compassion, gratitude, and resilience. Now connecting all of your centers. Breathing in divine wisdom, divine clarity, kind words, divine communication, divine immunity, divine love at the heart, divine power at the solar plexus, the power of love versus the love of power. Divine creativity at the pelvic center. Divine grounding so we can ground and birth our creativity here in this planet Earth. One last time, coming back to the heart center, holding all of your being in love, honor, and reverence in this moment in time. Thank you for joining me today. If there's any way I can help you, please reach out, Elsie at overwhelmwarrior.com. Have a beautiful weekend, and I'll see you next week.